Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently the government announced that they, I guess you could say, made a mistake when they renovated this road. They did not put back all the bus stops that were on the road before it was renovated. So there are a lot of places where the buses stop now that's not a designated bus stop, and as a result the buses get tickets from the police. So straight ahead on the right you can see a bus stop. This is right outside Oaklands. But the Minister of Transport and Mining, the Honorable Audley Shaw, indicated recently that some spots the bus stops did not go back at all the stops along this stretch of Constant Spring Road. And he said the government is going to be working to fix it and put in the bus stops. Now, Constant Spring Road was recently renovated. So the new road that you see now does not have all the bus stops that it had before this renovation. Some were put back, but some weren't. And the government said that was an oversight, it was a mistake, and they're going to put the bus stops back now. Because this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. And buses use it, but what's happening now is that the buses are stopping at where they know the people are, because there used to be a bus stop there, and that's causing a lot of problems. Also, some of the bus stops on this road, the bus has to stop in the actual road. So there are two lanes going in this direction. At some bus stops the bus has to stop in the road to collect persons. At some spots they have a side road that the bus can pull off the main road to stop and collect the persons. And I guess it will be a similar thing for, okay, you see where this bus stop now? This is not a marked or designated bus stop. So the bus has to stop in the road. You see this one up here now? This is not a designated bus stop, but the bus has to stop in the road because people want to get to the bank, so the bus just stops here. Now, before the road was renovated, both those spots had a bus stop, had a place for the bus to stop, especially in front of the bank. So that's what they're saying, that at some spots along the road, the bus stops were not put back. That's a very good example. And there is a sign that says no stopping or you will be towed. However, they don't really tow you. It's more likely that the police will give you a ticket if they see you, but that's very rare. So you see how far we've driven on this road, this side of the road, and we have not come across one bus stop that's marked. Now here you can see the bus stop on the left. That's the bus stop. And you can see the bus can pull over. On the right now, where you see that orange bus, there is no bus stop there. That bus has actually stopped on the pedestrian crossing, but I guess these things happen. So there is no bus stop there, and there should be a bus stop at that spot. Okay, so here's another bus stop on the left now where the bus can pull off the road and collect passengers. So this one was done properly. On the right, there's another bus stop where you can pull off the road and collect the passengers. So the government says they're going to fix it. They admitted that it was an oversight, and they are going to work on fixing the bus stop locations. Okay, at this intersection we turn left, we're going to Cassava Peace. If we go straight, we continue on Constant Spring Road up to the Manor Park area. And that pinkish looking building that you see straight ahead, that's the Powell Tower. and it's named after Colin Powell, the former Secretary of State of the United States. Both his parents were Jamaican, and that building was named after him. In Jamaica, if your father is a Jamaican, then you can get a Jamaican passport. You get the citizenship, basically. Alright, so we're now going into the Manor Park area. And if you notice along this entire stretch of road, there is no bus stop. Now on the right, actually we just take a drive through. This is where you have the bus, a main bus stop now, where taxis and all those things can park up and passengers get on quite easily. Before that area was built that we just drove through, you had persons were standing on the side of the road. It was very dangerous. So the government did an excellent job in building that small bus area off the road. And when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the government that's in power. It could have been the previous government or the one before that. It all depends on who built it or when it was built, but we're not political. We just say government, meaning whichever government was in power at the time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.